Guys, there has been a rooster that wasn't here every year I've been here, and it's only been here this year, and I'm determined to find it, but I can't. I might make a YouTube video about this. I might not. I am kind of determined. If I don't find it, I might get kind of mad. Just stepped on coconut, baby coconut, baby coconut. Well, I'll post you about it later. And if I find it, it's going down. Dinner.